This Indian muscle car had everything except one thing. This is Hindustan Contessa, India's closest attempt at building India's boldest muscle car. Back in 80s and 90s when Ambassador and Padminis had a jolly design, this was a proper aggressive statement. The name Contessa was actually borrowed from the Hino Contessa, a Japanese car sold between 1961 to 67. With its long bonnet, wide grille, simple rectangular headlamps and a clean side profile, this machine surely looked like a proper muscle car. The Contessa was based on the Vauxhall Victor FE, which itself was based on the Opel Rekord D. In fact, Hindustan Motor didn't just borrow the design, they actually bought the tooling and manufacturing presses from the Vauxhall, making it a true made in India product. Inside the car was way premium for its time. So much so that people even called it the Indian Benz. You got a clean instrument cluster, simple AC controls and even provision for a music system. There was even a rear AC vent on this car, but this wasn't from the factory. And because this car followed a laid-back driving philosophy, the gear lever was also slightly tilted towards the driver, adding to the overall comfort. With its armchair-like front seats, extremely comfortable rear seat, ashtrays and even a massive boot, the Contessa became a favorite among Netas and even Abhinetas. Back in the 84, the car was around 83,500 rupees, and by the time it was discontinued in 2002, price had gone up to 5.42 lakh rupees. Now this particular car runs on a 1.8 liter Isuzu petrol engine, making about 85 bhp and close to 140 Nm of torque. Now these numbers surely lack the muscle to make it a muscle car, but let me tell you, car's relaxed driving feel makes it an extremely fun to drive machine. And thanks to enthusiasts like Shreyas, this car is alive and it's going to live for decades. Here's a word from owner himself.
Everyone goes for modern cars, but I wanted something with character and that's why I bought this car. It's not the easiest car to maintain, but that's the beauty of it. This car teaches patience. It slows you down and makes you enjoy the drive instead of rushing.
Let me know what do you think about this car, and for more content like this, keep following.